each one, and then just right, and so when we lifted them up, when the robot puts them on there, it's fine. But when
the purpose of building a resource like this is really to speed up research, to bring the day closer when we'll have important and real information that can be shared that will make a difference in people's health.
Never has this amount of genetic data been created on a resource like this, where we have longitudinal information up to 20 years or longer on the majority of these individuals, clinical information, pharmacy information, laboratory tests, radiology information. It's just unprecedented, the amount of data that can be examined looking for genetic and environmental correlates for all these traits and diseases, as well as healthy aging.
I received information from Kaiser asking if I would be part of the study, and I was really interested in it. I have 2 children, 2 sons, and so I have a sort of vested interest in research and medical discovery. I want things to be better for my kids. So that was the thing that made me most want to get involved in the study.
The diversity of the Northern California region, where our cohort represents many different ethnic backgrounds and racial groups, whereas most other countries, because of their homogeneous populations, their biobanks are quite kind of narrow in terms of ethnicity. So it's putting several different reagents together, mixing it up. After the reagents have been put together with the DNA, we're going to put in an incubator that will amplify the DNA into millions of copies. And so the robot is going to pick up the plate and put it into the incubator.
across your whole genome, and then your phenotype is some characteristic. So I'm just sort of imagining here now what this study's gonna look like. you're going to have all these particular variable position in the genome. People who have a disease always have one state, and people who don't have a disease always have a different state. And that therefore, once you know, okay, my doctor knows my genotype, so he can tell me which drugs I should be taking when I get sick, or what types of conditions I might face downstream and how I can try to mitigate them. That once people are getting that benefit, and once it starts to make their lives better and make them healthier, I think that the fears that they have about this information getting out there are, they won't disappear, but they'll I think be balanced by the good.
You